Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury meets lifestyle. If you love high-end homes, modern design, and breathtaking spaces, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you inside a stunning private luxury home that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and timeless design. Let's start with a beautiful drone day view of the property. From above, this home immediately stands out with its clean architecture, expansive layout, and premium finishes. The exterior color palette of cream, brown, and silver gives the home a refined and modern look that feels both warm and luxurious. Surrounded by manicured landscaping, this property offers privacy, space, and serious curb appeal. As we descend, notice the wide driveway and grand entrance gate. The gate design is sleek and modern, setting the tone for what's waiting inside. This is the kind of entrance that makes a statement before you even step through the front door. Now let's head inside. We're welcomed by a grand entry foyer with high ceilings and an open, airy feel. Natural light flows effortlessly through large windows, highlighting the elegant finishes throughout the space. The combination of cream walls, brown wood accents, and silver details creates a calm yet luxurious atmosphere right from the start. Moving forward, we enter the main living room. This space is designed for both comfort and style. Plush cream seating, warm brown flooring, and subtle silver decor come together beautifully. Large windows connect the indoors with the outdoors, making the room feel open and inviting. This is the perfect space for relaxing with family or entertaining guests. Adjacent to the living area is the TV lounge, a cozy yet upscale space made for movie nights and casual gatherings. The large TV wall, soft lighting, and carefully selected furnishings give this room a modern luxury vibe while still feeling comfortable and welcoming. Now let's take a look at the kitchen, the heart of the home. This modern luxury kitchen features cream cabinetry, a rich brown island, and high-end silver appliances. Clean lines, marble countertops, and plenty of space make this kitchen as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you love cooking or hosting, this kitchen is designed to impress. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. The dining table comfortably seats family and guests, making it perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. A statement chandelier above the table adds a touch of elegance, while the neutral color palette keeps the space timeless and sophisticated. Let's head to the master bedroom. This private retreat offers a peaceful escape from the day. The room features a large bed, soft cream tones, brown accent walls, and silver lighting elements. Natural light and thoughtful design make this bedroom feel calm, luxurious, and relaxing. The bathroom continues the spa-like experience. With marble finishes, silver fixtures, and a sleek glass shower, this bathroom feels like a high-end hotel suite. Every detail is designed for comfort, style, and everyday luxury. Next, we'll check out the garage, which offers plenty of space for luxury vehicles. Clean finishes, modern lighting, and a polished look make this garage more than just storage, it's part of the home's overall luxury experience. Now let's move into the private gym room. Fully equipped and beautifully designed, this space allows you to stay active without ever leaving home. Large mirrors, modern equipment, and a clean cream brown silver theme make workouts feel motivating and upscale. Finally, let's step outside to the outdoor pool area. This is where luxury truly comes to life. The modern swimming pool, stylish swing seating, and resort-style design create the perfect environment for relaxation and entertainment. Whether you're enjoying a sunny afternoon or hosting an evening gathering, this outdoor space is built for unforgettable moments. This home is a perfect example of modern luxury living, combining elegant design, thoughtful spaces, and premium finishes throughout. Thank you for touring this incredible property with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and let us know in the comments what part of the home you love the most. We'll see you in the next luxury tour.